Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I got at Walmart for the week. I will tell you exactly how I got all of these items, not only for free, but made almost $4 buying it all. I did not shop Target this week, but I'll tell you a few deals to look out for. I'm also going to talk with you about a couple just general grocery savings tips. So a couple of things I want to mention. First, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. I also just posted a blog post over on my website where you can get coupons in 2022. So where and how you can get coupons. I talk all about coupons. So pop on over to my website at savingwithchristina.com to check that out. Target. Okay, I did not shop Target this week, but there were lots of things marked 50% off and things like meat and produce. So pop into your Target Circle app and see if you have those 50% off coupons. Lots of great deals that way. I just did not have time to get over to Target this week. Core bars as well. There is a 50% off Target Circle offer and an Ibotta offer, making those completely free. So check that offer out as well. All right, so yesterday, I think it was yesterday, I did a news story, local news, about how to save money on groceries. And one of the tips that I talked about, I don't think I've mentioned here on YouTube, so I wanted to tell you about it. It's using the website Supercook to help figure out meals you can make using ingredients you already have at home. So a great general tip for saving money on groceries is to plan meals around items you already have at the house. And sometimes it's hard to think outside the box and figure out what can I do with pancake mix or what can I do with rice. But we don't want to waste the groceries that we've already paid for. So if you want some meal ideas based on the ingredients you have at home, go to the website Supercook and you can enter the ingredients. It's totally free, by the way. You can enter the ingredients that you have on hand and it will give you recipe suggestions based on those items. And it will also tell you any of the ingredients that you're missing, and that way you can throw those on your grocery list for the week. So hopefully that's helpful for you. I know I kind of get in a rut with dinners, and it's like I don't even want to think about it. Just tell me what to make and I'll make it. It's like thinking about what to make is one of the hardest parts about dinner. Okay, let's talk about Walmart. Okay, I didn't grab a whole lot, but I got my favorite detergent completely free, so that made me happy. Let's start with that one. The Persil packs. I used to use these all the time because I got these for free, but now I'm kind of going back to the liquid. I don't know, maybe that's weird. I'll use either, but I'm kind of liking the liquid right now. These are $5.44. There is a $2 coupon that you can print from coupons.com. I have it linked down in the video description box. So you'll pay $3.44 at the register. There is a $2 rebate on Ibotta for this. And there is a Shopkick rebate for $2 back, making this not only free, but a 56-cent moneymaker. Now, the liquid is a good deal as well. It's also priced at $5.44. Same $2 coupon. I bought both of these in the same transaction. I used that $2 coupon twice, no issues. I paid $3.44. I got $1.50 back on Ibotta, as well as $2.28 back on Shopkick. So I got a little less back on Ibotta, but a little bit more back on Shopkick, making my final cost completely free and a 34-cent moneymaker. And if you've never tried Persil, love, love, love that detergent. Another freebie you can grab, this Pedigree dog food. It's the high protein one. They're priced at $1.08. Ibotta has a rebate for $1.08 back, making it completely free. Now, I did hit my midweek moneymaker bonus on Ibotta, so I got an additional $3 for that. I put this in here because I grabbed this for a girlfriend of mine. She had said, hey, if you find any small hand sanitizers for cheap, let me know because I need a bunch of them. And I did find these Equate hand sanitizers priced at just 25 cents. The Find Your Happy hand sanitizers, they were 50 cents, but they have like the fun scents to them. So just keep an eye out for those clearance items. Now, this has not processed yet. So there are Shopkick offers for the Dove spray deodorant, both men and women's. Now, my store only had the men's. I picked up the trial size at $1.97. Now, the Shopkick offer doesn't have any size restrictions, and it gives back $2.40. So that would make this completely free and a 43-cent moneymaker. Same with the women's deodorant. My store just didn't have it. My offer is still pending. I submitted the Persil and the Dove all on one receipt. And I found with Shopkick, it seems like the higher value or the higher amount that I submit, it takes a little bit longer to get credited. So hopefully that credits later on tonight. Now, food. Let's talk about food. First, the freebie, the Perfect Bar. Found these at my store, refrigerated section near the yogurt. These are $2.37. There is a $2.49 rebate on Ibotta, which would make it completely free and a 12-cent moneymaker. But there's also a completely free rebate. So I have that linked for you in the video description box. I submitted my receipt there as well, and I got back $2.37 to my Venmo account almost immediately. So that made this completely free and a $2.49 moneymaker. This one, what did I get? The peanut butter one. I think there's one that might have chocolate chips in it as well. Who knows why I didn't grab that one. But these are refrigerated, so make sure you keep them in the refrigerator after you buy them. Now, I also picked up this Tropicana Island Punch. There were a few flavors that qualified for the rebate. I think it was like Caribbean Sunset, Island Punch, and one other. This was the only one my store had. And there was a 50% off rebate on Ibotta. So these were $2.24. You got $1.14 back. So not exactly 50%. Made it $1.10 total for this, which seemed like a good price if you're into juice. Now, another rebate that I did a while ago were on these nuggets, the Simulate nuggets. So my son actually really enjoys these. They're plant-based nuggets. There is a rebate on Ibotta. Buy two, you get $4.98. But I got a text today from the company that they are doing the free after rebate offer, and so I'm going to share that down in the video description box. So if you picked up two of these, you would buy two at $4.98. You would get $4.98 back on $4.98 back on that rebate, but $5 back on Ibotta, making them both completely free and a 2-cent moneymaker. Not gonna lie, when I do videos after like 3 o'clock, my brain just doesn't work the same way. I guess I'm a morning person as far as my brain goes, because after 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening, it doesn't work the same. And so I'm filming this and editing this Tuesday night and posting it on Wednesday morning. Now, if you haven't done this offer yet, grab one of these Evolve plant-based shakes. I found that on like the end cap near the sodas. These are $2.78. There is a $1 rebate on Ibotta, and then I had a $2 rebate on Fetch, making it completely free and a 22-cent moneymaker. Check your Fetch Rewards app, because I also had that Gatorade Protein Zero 100% free, or 100% back. See, it's not working. 100% cash back. So whatever you pay for it, you're going to get that amount back. If you're brand new to Fetch Rewards, time to check it out. Use my referral code, because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan that first receipt. Now, two more things I want to talk with you about. The Kellogg's Jumbo Snacks. Now, this is a much better deal at Walgreens this week, and that you can find that in my Walgreens video. But if you don't shop Walgreens and you only shop Walmart, I want to go ahead and tell you about the deal there as well. So these are priced at $4.98 at Walmart. Look for a $1 Peely. Couponing with Kayla mentioned that she was able to find a $1 Peely. My store didn't have that. So I paid $4.98. I got back $2 on Ibotta. Then I submitted my receipt to Shopkick, where I got an additional $1.48 back, making this box just $1.50. But don't forget, these qualify for that Kellogg's Feeding Reading program, where you can get a free book mailed to your house. So you get a book and this little pack of cereals for $1.50. Not a bad price, but again, it is a better deal over at Walgreens. The other item that I bought involved a brand club rebate. So I picked up these Ocean Spray cranberries. They're $3.98. There is a $1 rebate on Ibotta. I had done a survey on Brand Club for $2.25. So that should process. Right now it's just pending, but that would make this bag of cranberries just 73 cents. Now I've talked about Brand Club a bit, and some people have asked me, like, do I like it? Do I not like it? Brand Club, I think, is excellent for giving me cash back on items I would be buying anyway. Now, with Ibotta, sometimes I will buy items that I wouldn't otherwise buy because there's a rebate for it, and it helps me get to my bonuses, or it's completely free. Now, with Brand Club, I truly just buy items that I would be buying anyway, and then I sync, and if I get cash back, awesome. It's just like a bonus. So in my opinion, there's no reason not to use it. So if you haven't tried it out, I do have a link below. You would get $10 when you use my link and sign up. And then I connected my Amazon account, my Target account, and my Walmart account. And so anytime I shop any of those 3 stores, I sync. There's a little plus button in the app that you sync your purchases. And then if I get cash back, awesome. If I don't, no big deal. I would have been buying the items anyway. And then I cash out to my Venmo or my PayPal. So that's how I work that app. But when I put everything together and I got that midweek moneymaker bonus, that made everything completely free and a $3 moneymaker. I'm gonna post a few pictures of items that I found on clearance while I was in the store, but this is kind of weird. I got a new phone, and for some reason now, when I scan clearance items with my phone, it doesn't tell me the correct price. It tells me like not even the clearance price. And before, a lot of times when I would see things on clearance, like say it was $10 to begin with, marked on clearance for $3, I would scan it and would be like, no, that sucker's only $1. And so then I would know that the price had dropped even farther. Now I'm scanning items that are marked on clearance for like $5 and it's telling me it's still $10. Or this was fun, we don't sell this item. It's like, okay, well, I'm standing in the store, I'm holding the item, and when I scan it, it says you don't sell the item. Like, so confusing. So I don't know what's going on there. If you've had issues with the Walmart app recently, let me know. But I think it's somehow tied to me getting a new phone. Last thing I'm going to say, and I need your help with this. I am working on a website post as well as a news segment on the best teacher discounts. So if you are a teacher, if you're an educator, if you were a retired educator, drop me a comment. Let me know some of your favorite teacher discounts that you know about, and that will help me out. I would love to hear some of the ones that you're finding around you, and especially if they're like theme parks specific to your state or like big museums specific to your state. Still tell me about it, because I'd love to include just like a comprehensive list on my website so that teachers have like a one-stop spot where they can get all the good details on teacher discounts. Hope y'all have a fantastic week. Thanks. I feel like there was something else I wanted to talk about.